Hypermind English Workshop Situational Writing Elementary Lecture 8 Writing an Invitation Letter 我哋會睇下點樣去寫一封邀請信嘅噃。有冇試過寫邀請信呢？俾啲嘉賓呢嚟一個重要嘅節日啦，譬如話演奏會啦、學校慶典啦，或者可能你自己嘅生日會。寫真邀請信呢，通常俾啲嘉賓呢，都係好希望佢能夠出席啦。同埋有陣時呢，我哋寫俾一啲可能你係唔認識你嘅人嘅喎，所以呢，寫邀請信呢係一種嘅較為正規嘅寫作。An invitation letter is a formal way to invite a guest to a party, an event, or a celebration。嗱，咁有兩個用途呢，我哋要留意嘅喎。It serves two purposes. One, to invite a guest to the event, and two, to ensure that the guest is going to attend the event。如果我哋係真係咁誠懇呢，去邀請某位嘉賓嚟出席呢，咁我哋真係好希望佢嚟到噶嘛，係咪啊？咁我哋就要諗啲方法，吸引少少喺封信度呢，提到令到呢各位嘉賓嚟到你出席你個重要嘅一個節日啦喎。Sample situation。今次我哋嘅寫作係關於一個演奏會嘅喎。你見到呢有一個 program，即係嗰個節目表喺樹㗎。Now it is the annual music festival performance. You are going to play the piano. You would like to invite your best friends and teachers to come. 見到呢一個嘅節目表啦，上面都有清晰講明嗰個係一個乜嘢嘅演奏會啦，幾時啦，喺邊一度，同埋嗰個程序點樣樣嘅喎。呢啲重要資料，咁你可能喺你個寫作當中呢，都要需要提及到㗎。This is the sample writing. Not too long, 154 words, and pretty much it looks like a letter writing to your best friend, but the tone is very sincere and polite. 你見到呢封信呢，唔係太長，150字左右。信可能好似寫俾你朋友一樣，但係你入邊用嘅語氣呢，用嘅字眼呢，成日要誠懇好多啦。總共我哋有4段，咁我睇下點樣寫咯噃。同一篇嘅信件呢，都喺你哋本 course notes 度呢見到嘅。點樣寫呢？ How to write? 1. Like other formal letters, write the date on top. 2. Address your guest by his or her name. 同普通我哋寫一啲嘅正式文件信件一樣啦，咁我哋喺頂頭有日期啦，同埋你嘅上款嘅。跟住第一段啦噃。With great joy and pleasure, I would like to invite you to my piano performance on June 8th, Saturday, at 8 p.m. at the Hong Kong Cultural Center. It is the annual music festival performance evening. After a year-long practice and hard work, I'm most eager to share my achievement and happiness to all my friends and teachers. 你邀請啲人去你一個嘅譬如重要約會，呢一次係一個演奏會，咁亦都要清晰話俾人聽啦。一開手幾時咩地方，同埋一個係一個咩嘅場合嚟㗎。3. So you introduce the event you are inviting your guest. And 4. In case the guests do not know you in person, introduce who you are or the event organizer you are representing. 如果你寫一封信去邀請一啲嘉賓，佢係唔認識你啦，咁更加需要啦，你就將你嗰個嘅呢個節日節目詳細話俾人聽，究竟你邀請佢去係一咩事情嚟嘅。跟住呢一段 Would you be my guest that evening? Please take a look of the enclosed program of the concert. Most pieces are classical music performed by winners of the music festival this year. They are all entertaining and amusing. 收到你封邀請信嗰位嘉賓呢， 佢可能真係唔認識你，或者都唔知道你究竟個節目係乜嘢嘢嚟㗎。所以咧係必須咧介紹多少少呢一個節目呢個 concert 咧音樂會咧，究竟入邊嘅內容係咩嘢啊？5. Tell your guest more about the event。有陣時咧係需要將一啲額外資料咧係俾你嗰位嘉賓嘅喎。好似今次係一個演奏會，咁我哋就有一個節目表或者程序表啦。咁你可以將佢夾附埋落去封邀請信咯，令到嗰位嘉賓呢明白到你究竟嘅節目內容係乜嘢嘢啦。6. Provide more information other than the invitation letter if necessary。有陣時咧，為到希望各位嘉賓一定嚟出席你個約會啦，咁我哋需要俾多少少令到佢有對你嘅節目嘅又有興趣地方啦。咁譬如話，我哋係介紹多啲呢個節目嘅特色啊，或者係一啲有趣嘅資料啦。Notice how to arouse the interest of the guest so as he or she may have a chance to accept your invitation。再跟住嗰段呢 I have also invited my classmates to join this wonderful evening. Having your presence will definitely be perfect for the concert。其中一樣嘅方法令到各位嘉賓呢對你嗰個節目更加有興趣呢，就係知道當日仲有咩其他人出席㗎？有冇啲可能佢認識嘅人呢？有冇啲可能甚至乎佢嘅朋友啊，或者係同事啊，諸如此類呢？ 7. Tell your guest about who else he or she may meet in the event。有陣時咧，如果你發現嗰個節目我有個本喎，大家一齊睇，咪會更加開心啊！咁各位嘉賓接受你邀請嘅機會咧，又大啲啦。Notice how to make your guest feel comfortable to the event, so as he or she may have a higher chance to accept your invitation. Last paragraph. As seats are limited, your early reply before next weekend will be very helpful for me to reserve the necessary tickets for you. I really wish you can come. Yours sincerely, Chris。如果呢一個演奏會咧，可能係好受歡迎嘅，啲飛咧係需要買嘅，咁更加需要預留嗰個位俾你啲嘉賓嘅，係咪啊？ Number 8. If reservation is required, politely ask your guest to reply before a certain date. Number 9. In one sentence, show appreciation for the guest to attend the event。如果你誠懇啲，就最好喺呢一封信嘅尾嗰度咧，加強少少語氣啦。你真係好想你個嘉賓嚟光臨，你真係希望佢咧可以盡早回覆你，所以咧你哋可以安排到最好嘅座位俾佢。Now, notice personal invitation letters should be signed with a less formal sign-off, such as yours sincerely, best or sincerely。譬如話呢一封係可能係寫俾你一啲熟悉少少嘅朋友，咁未必需要用到咁重嘅語氣，喺呢個下款個祝頌語嘅時候咧，可以用一啲簡單嘅字眼，譬如話 best regards 啊，sincerely 啊，呢啲都係可以噶啦。Quick reminder: state the date, time and place of the event。講翻究竟你一個重要嘅約會幾時啦？邀請嘉賓幾時幾刻？究竟喺邊一度嚟咯？Describe the event。咁嗰個嘅節日節目嘅內容係乜嘢啊？Provide attractive reasons for joining the event。咁俾少少原因啦，令到嗰個節目係咁吸引，唔嚟唔得咯。Show your sincerity。俾誠懇。令到咧對方咧知道你係真係好想佢嚟到嘅。又係你寫作嘅時間啦噃。Your assignment: refer to your course notes, chapter 8. Write about 120 words. Email your essay to this email address. 我哋等緊你封邀請信啦。